All right, here's a word problem question. Whoops. That is similar to lots of other questions. And like they say in the book, you need to familiarize yourself with the question and then try and throw some letters in there somehow. Make an equation, solve it, check to see if your answer is correct, and state your solution. So we'll try and use those things. So City Park, residents downtown neighborhood designed a triangular shaped park. Okay, so here's our triangle down at the bottom. Okay, triangle right there. Got it? As part of the city beautification program. The park is bounded by streets on all sides. Okay, the second angle of the triangle is 7 more than the first. Well, this one's got to be the first. We don't know what it is. But they say it's 7 more than the first. So that's got to be this angle here, because it's the first one plus 7. Then they say the third angle is 7 less than twice the first. So if you twice the first is x. So if you double that and then take away 7 from it, that gives you the third, which is right there. Then they say find the measure of the angles. Well, one thing we'd need to know about triangles is that if you add up all the angles, so the first angle plus the second angle plus the third angle, they have to come out to 180. Okay, well, we don't know what the numbers are, but we do know how they're related to each other. So the first angle is x, plus the second angle is x plus 7. I guess I could put that one in brackets too. And the third one is 2x minus 7. So if I add those three angles up, it has to give me 180. Okay, so now I've got a bunch of variables. I've got stuff in an equation. I can try and solve for it. So I've got, if I drop brackets, because these are all addition, I can just drop the brackets as is, like that. Now let's gather all the x's together, x, x, and 2x. So I think that's 4x altogether. And 7 take away 7, those will cancel out. So 4x is equal to 180. Now I divide 4 into 180. And I think that comes out to 45 degrees. So x, that's this first one, is 45 degrees. The next one is x plus 7, so whatever 45 plus 7 would be. I think that's 52. And then the last one will be 2x. So 2 times 45, that'd be 90. And 90 take away 7, I think that's 83. So this top one is going to be 83 degrees. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that question. All of these word problem questions are, they're all ones where you have to just sort of play around with the diagram and try and find values for x and try and find a relationship between the x's. Sometimes it's like this where you have 180, that's everything adds to 180. Sometimes you might have a formula for like perimeter, so perimeter is 2 lengths plus 2 widths. So you might have to bring that into the equation. So typically on a test, I sort of give you one of those relationships so you don't have to sort of pick it out of thin air. Anyway, hopefully that helps you with that question.